Bought your dream home, but feel it's missing something? A balcony could be the perfect touch, and you can add one yourself. The Velux balcony turns a sloped roof into a small outdoor space with sliding railings, triple glazed windows, and high-quality pine wood frames. The Point Pod is a motorized power outlet that sits flush with stone or wood countertops, popping up with a gentle touch when you need it. It offers 2 standard outlets plus USB-A and USB-C ports, and is water-resistant and tamper-proof for safe everyday use. Meet the Vulcan Wall Mount Barbecue, a clever grill for small outdoor areas. It mounts to your wall and folds away when not in use. With a removable charcoal tray, built-in drainage, and handy utensil hooks, grilling is more fun now. If you want a private wine cellar, a hidden floor hatch is your solution. Spiral designs can store 2,000 bottles. Underground placement keeps temperature stable for aging, and features like LED lighting or motorized doors make access easy. MicroGuard by Advanced Perimeter is an outdoor security system that uses microwave and infrared sensors to detect intrusions. Ideal for high-security sites or remote areas, it integrates with other security tools and even supports solar power for off-grid locations. Take a look at Anemone, an advanced airsoft mine built to make matches more intense. It uses a microwave radar system to detect movement up to 32 feet away. When triggered, it jumps into the air and spreads BBs across, catching nearby opponents off guard. In Cheddar, farming shapes daily life across sprawling estates. The West Country Gate makes managing these properties easier. It lets owners control motorized gates remotely and verify visitors with live video. Keep yourself and your family safe with the Tactical Hornet. This semi-automatic launcher is built for home defense and personal protection. It runs on CO2 cartridges and fires .43 caliber rubber, pepper, or paintballs at up to 380 feet per second. The magazine holds 4 rounds with an effective range of about 98 feet. In 2016, Miles McCarville returned from work to find his 1972 Harley gone. 4 years later, it mysteriously reappeared. But not every theft ends this way. That's why Zycam created the Garage Defender, a steel barrier for garages. Lumar provide window and paint protection solutions for cars and even buildings. Their automotive tints, like the Formula 1 series, block heat while giving you privacy. And their self-healing paint films shield against scratches. For homes, Lumar's films cut glare and strengthen windows.